The magic knot is a secure way to join two balls of yarn together. Take the two yarns you want to join and place the ends parallel, with the two ends facing in different directions. Take the left hand yarn over the right hand yarn, loop it over and behind the right hand yarn and behind itself. Then take the end, pull it through the loop to make a simple knot, and then pull that knot firm around the right hand yarn. Take the right hand yarn over the left hand yarn, loop it behind the left hand yarn and then behind itself. Then take the end and pull it through the loop to make another simple knot. Pull that knot firm around the left hand yarn. Take each yarn and pull it so that the simple knots sit snug beside each other. Pull your knot sharply to test if it's secure. Trim the ends close to the knot. Magic!